Good morning, half-serious portrait try today, albeit on a cheap sketchbook where the paper is not so great, so there was not a whole lot of pressure, but still I was taking my time and trying to see what I could achieve in, getting a portrait. Started out with the tones of the face and tried not to do too many details to start. Just wanted to get the model up the face planes and that sort of thing. Finally decided to commit to where the eyeballs would go, and then quickly tried to add enough detail to really establish those proportions. Working from a photograph, it's a great photograph. It has all sorts of mid-tones, highlights, and that's what you really need for a photo reference. Remembering the concept of yellow ochre forehead, red for the nose area and cheeks, and blue for the bottom, which I don't completely understand at this point, but I was trying to do it anyway, and it was coming out okay. Not too great, and but thank God it was just in a sketchbook, so no pressure. Just anyway, just kept working on it. It took a little over an hour. It looks like passable.